Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to use the Evertough bearing race and seal driver. Part number is 67034. This driver can be used to install most standard wheel bearing races and seals. It's one of over 80 tools we have available in our Loaner Tool program. The Loaner Tool program can help save you money on your repairs. Just pay a deposit equal to the cost of the tool and we'll return your full deposit when you return the tool to the store. So let's get started. As a reminder, always wear eye protection and gloves when you use this tool. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. You'll want to start by removing the old seal and bearing race using a seal puller, a punch, and a hammer. For our purposes, we already have the old seal and bearing race removed from the hub. Before beginning, always check the hub surface for any damage that may prevent the race or seal from being installed properly. To install a bearing race, match the tapered side of the driver from the bearing race driver set with the new bearing race and install the driver on the end of the handle with the tapered portion facing out. Line up the new race with the housing, being careful to center it. Using your hammer or mallet and the race installer, gently tap the race into the housing until it is flush. Now you'll want to install your greased wheel bearing since it will be locked in place once the wheel seal has been installed. To install a wheel seal, choose the driver that is closest to the diameter of the seal and assemble the driver at the end of the handle with the flat portion facing out. Line up and center your new seal. Then using a hammer or mallet, gently tap the new seal into place until it bottoms out. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to see all our new content. If you have any other questions about our Loaner Tool program, stop by a store. One of our parts professionals will be glad to help. You'll find everything that you need for your next project at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. We'll see you again soon.